lovelies, welcome back. So the topic of today's discussion is methods of preparation of haloalkanes. How do we prepare haloalkanes using different methods? So the first method which you have is preparation of haloalkanes by using alcohol. Preparation of haloalkanes by using alcohol. Now you know that we have to prepare haloalkanes through alcohol. That means what do we have here? Alkyl group. Okay, if alkyl group is attached to OH, that becomes our alcohol. So that has to be converted into what? Alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Now this alcohol can be converted into alkyl halides using different ways. Okay, it can be converted into haloalkanes using different ways. Let us see what are those ways. First one can be using hydrogen halides. What is it known as? Hydrogen halides. That is your HX group. Okay, hydrogen halides. Now before I explain you should know one thing, students. Here the left side of the arrow mark, usually there will be two things. One is known as the substrate, which is the main organic compound. Okay, substrate, which is the main organic compound on which attack is taking place. And the second thing is known as this thing. Second one is nothing but the one which attacks that. That is known as a reagents. Okay, the second one is a reagent. So if this is a substrate and this is known as a reagent, the one which attacks it is known as a reagent. So one can be hydrogen halides, that is your HF, HCl, HBr, HI, anything. The second one is using phosphorus halides. What is it? Using phosphorus halides. Now here in your phosphorus halides, it is of two types, students. One is phosphorus trichloride, one more is phosphorus pentahalide. I'm sorry. Okay. Now the third one is, this is something special, students. Here I can only prepare alkyl chloride. Okay. This is a special case or where we are preparing only alkyl chloride using something known as thionyl chloride. Okay. Here we'll be using thionyl chloride only to prepare alkyl chloride. So the formula for thionyl chloride is SOCl2. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols using hydrogen halides. Okay. Now you should know one thing, that when we use hydrogen halides, there is a requirement of catalyst, some or the other catalyst. Before that, you should know one thing, students. You know that hydrogen halides, right? In hydrogen halides, it can be anything. It can be hydrogen fluoride, it can be hydrogen chloride, it can be hydrogen bromide, or it can be hydrogen iodide. Now, how do we know the order of rate of reaction? So that I'll tell you before going on with the reactions. That is order of rate of reaction with respect to this hydrogen halides, that is our reagent. What is the order of rate of reaction with respect to hydrogen halides? That is now here why I have written the order in this way is, you should know here, students, in hydrogen iodide, you know that bond dissociation energy which is required is very less because of its size. You know that iodine is very much bigger in size when compared to other elements. So because of that, our bond length will be more. So that means the energy which is required will be less. So here the rate of reactivity will be more in case of hydrogen halide. Then it comes hydrogen bromide, then is hydrogen chloride, then hydrogen fluoride. So we came to know that the rate of reactivity of hydrogen fluoride is very less with respect to this reagents. Now we have to know order of rate of reaction. Order of rate of reaction with respect to substrate. Okay. Now we learnt about rate of reaction of reagents. Now we have to know with respect to substrate, that is an alcohol. So, and that is in the order of tertiary, secondary and primary. Now let me just explain you what is that tertiary, secondary and primary. So here you should know one thing, students. Tertiary alcohol is nothing but if our carbon atom which is having alcohol group is attached to 3 more carbon atoms. Okay, if a carbon atom carrying alcohol group has 3 more carbon atoms, then it is known as tertiary group. Secondary is nothing but which is attached to 2 carbon atoms. Okay, the carbon atom having alcohol is attached to two carbon atoms. So then what is primary, students? Carbon atom which is attached to one carbon atom. So that is known as primary alcohols. Now why is the reactivity in such way? That you should know, students. You see that here alcoholic group, here if you see carbon and oxygen, you know that oxygen is more electronegative. So that means the electron will move towards oxygen. So that means oxygen will get negative charge and then carbon will get positive charge. So after it gets positive charge, you know that it forms carbocation, tertiary carbocation. And you know in carbocations which is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable when compared to secondary, and then comes primary. I hope you understood the difference between order of rate of reaction among the reagents and the substrate group. Okay, now we are going to prepare our haloalkane by using, first is hydrogen chloride. Okay, so first thing what we need, you know, students, that is nothing but our alcohol. First I will be taking up our primary alcohol. That is nothing but when our carbon atom which is having alcoholic group is attached to one carbon atom, that I am going to treat it with HCl in the presence of some catalyst. That is, here I am going to take anhydrous zinc chloride. Now what is the role of this, I'm sorry for the disturbance. Now what is the role of this zinc chloride here is, it helps us to break this bond between carbon and oxygen. Whatever bond is there, it helps to break that bond. Okay, so now when I react with this, what happens is, here this and this forms water molecule. Okay, and then whatever the place is here, the bond which is being removed, Cl will come and attack that place, forming ethyl chloride and water molecule. I hope you understood. Starting, ethanol will be there, that will react with HCl in the presence of zinc chloride. When the bond breaks, this will form water molecule, where in this place the chlorine is going to come and form ethyl chloride. This is for primary alcohol. This one is primary alcohol. Now if I take secondary alcohol, suppose I have my carbon atom which is attached to secondary alcohol. Similar way, I am going to treat it with HCl and then anhydrous zinc chloride. Here again it helps in the breakage of bond, formation of water molecule, and then one more is this one, that is CHCl, and then water molecule. Now moving on with the tertiary alcohol, that is, you know, carbon atom which is attached to 3 more carbon atoms. Okay, and here HCl. Here you should know one thing, students. Here the tertiary alcoholic group which is there, it is already stable. That is, tertiary carbocation which is being formed is already stable. So here there is no necessity of zinc chloride. Okay, there is no necessity of zinc chloride. It will easily break into carbocation and water molecule will be formed, forming our group haloalkane plus water molecule. And here one thing I forgot to tell you, students, here the mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride what we use, okay, the hydrogen chloride and zinc chloride what we use, that is known as Lucas reagent. I forgot to mention, the mixture of hydrogen chloride and zinc chloride here is known as a Lucas reagent, and this process of preparation of haloalkanes using this hydrogen chloride and zinc chloride is known as Grove's process. Okay, what is it known as? Grove's process.